What are you doing here? Tony, where is your pamangkin? Pamangkin. You are becoming of the cute yacht? Ah, yes. I am cute. Look at those. What are those things? Yeah. Kutu. Yes, there's kutu yun. Those are kutu yun. Yes, those are my pets. Your pets? Yeah, they keep maintaining me beautiful. Becoming cute is you. And what is that sound? Oh, yeah. You are very ugly. Why are you flirting? No, you are not allowed. You are like so many galis. Yep, nang angrag. I think about you na. Someone is laying egg. Why are you laying egg? I am laying egg. I am sleeping here. And tomorrow I have foods. Where is Lion? Huh? Lion must be busy looking for delicious food. What is that? Oh my gosh! What's that? Is that it? That's Sukutaya. Where is Lion? Nagawat. Nagawat sang ow. Nang, where are you now? Nang, where are you now? Ya, ang angutan ng ubot na nangangalay. No! Nang angot ka mo. Kaya mamatas dyan. Ay, yeah. Dumilpat ka magamin.